Hi everybody. Today is Saturday weekend and we are taking a break and having a picnic today. So we are on the way to a nearby park. And we are gonna have a good lunch. Hi everyone, good morning. Today is weekend Saturday and we thought we should do something fun. So we came here to the Old Ranch Park and we thought we should do a small picnic.
Everybody.
Hi everybody. So हम लोग आ गए सब खाना वाना बना के अभी हम लोग अच्छा खासा पिकनिक करने वाले हैं बच्चों के साथ.
We're having a picnic today. Let's go.
Let's go. And here is the park. Yeah, they just opened the playground.
You can play.
Hello. Now we are walking on top of the hill. You can see my husband is pushing the stroller and there's a valley. And that's the beautiful park. We just passed by. And hey Wafia. Wafia is very excited today because we made this plan all of a sudden. So I was lazy today in the morning, so I thought let's make something simple. Then I decided why not, let's eat our lunch in a park. So here we go. इतना प्यारा है व्यू पहाड़ पे आने के बाद. हाँ रोड. हाँ. Today we are gonna have a picnic. Where are we? We are top of the
Mountain.
Yay!
In a hill.
It's a hill.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful location. Today I made zira rice, egg kurma. That's firni, sweet. It's a sweet. Then there are some chocolates over there, and we also got some chips and water.
Picnic started.
So we got some egg, rice, zero rice, and some chips.
Super sunny today. The weather is really good.
We just came down from the mountain and here you go. The mafia is going upwards.
Wafia! Hey Wafia!
This is so good.
Bus don't go. Come back. Come back.
And you can see the kids are playing there. There is a small park over there. उसमें तो नहीं खड़ती है ना भाई.
कभी भी नहीं खड़ती उन्हें, एक फोटो में भी नहीं खड़ती.
वहाँ पे रखे हम स्टॉलर. वहाँ से चल के आ
और
रही है.
वहाँ से आ रही है एक बड़ी वाली.
बड़े वाली.
बड़ी
बड़ी मियाँ, छोटी मियाँ सुबह में.
यहाँ छोटे में.
Oh wow! She's swinging in the park. Would you come? Would you come, baby? Would you? Would you come? Uzma.
Not like that, did you? Come on, I'll...
Okay, you come.
Hi guys.
job, Fafi. Would you come?
Ta-da! Can I see me?
Come. Come, would you come? Come. No. Yay! Would you come? Would you come? Give me a hand. Would you give me a hand? Give me a hand. Good job. Would you? Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Leaving!
Hi. Do drums? Can you do the drums? Yeah, you did. I'm gonna do it again. Come on, Wafi, do it. Good job.